Welcome to your system.oi training. This is going to be the direct alternative, and it's actually free. This is a free direct alternative to ClickFunnels. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how you can create an awesome landing page for completely free using the system.oi tool. Now in this video, we're going to be recreating this landing page which I did create using the system.oi free tool. As you can see in here, this is actually powered by system.oi. You're going to understand what this tool is all about and how you can be able to use the simple drag and drop system to be able to create decent and awesome landing pages on the internet. And also, if you stay with me, I'm going to be walking you through how to create this bridge page and also how you can be able to create this awesome pop-ups which is going to get more engagement and get people to go through your stuff more. And also I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create the awesome thank you page, which is this, as you can see in here, where you're going to get people and give them what they want. This might be your free ebook, this might be whatever resources, whatever place you want to get them in, and I'm going to be walking you through all of that in this detailed system.oi tutorial. So be sure to stay with me so you don't miss out on any bit of information I'm going to be sharing with you in a detailed step-by-step overview and how you can make use of the system.oi, which is a direct alternative to ClickFunnels. Stay tuned, smack the like button, subscribe while at that. Now let's go. So before we proceed on, I want to quickly show you what you can be able to do with the free plan of the system.oi. There are various plans and what their features are all about. So with the first plan, which is a free plan which we're going to be using and which you can get in, you get to pay 3.009 every month for getting 3 funnels up. As you can see, with this we can be able to set up 3 funnels and we have as much as 10 6 funnel step, and I'll be explaining what the 6 funnel step is all about. You can be able to set up a blog and actually create an unlimited post to your blog, and also you have a membership site. You can be able to create an automation where you can be able to get people in your list and actually get them to a customer journey, sending auto created messages which is going to take them through a journey. You can send workflows, you can create one tag, and you can do A and B text. You can create coupon codes, you can integrate Stripe, you can run your own affiliate program. You have your 24/7 email support with the free plan and other sweet extra stuff for completely free. Now system.oi, as I said, this is going to give ClickFunnels a lot of nightmare because people are giving you a lot for completely free. And even the startup plan and the plan that actually equates with that of ClickFunnels is the $47 in a month plan, and this offer is awesome if you're interested in that. So let me go through the dashboard and let me walk you right now and how we can actually create the funnel, and this is going to be your bridge page and the thank you page as you see in the intro of this video. And also this is a 3-part playlist training where I'm going to be showing you and walking you through how you can work with the system.oi tool. So stick around if you want more content and how you can create email, how you can work with the email software of system.oi, how you can be able to create web workflows, how you can be able to create tags, how you can be able to make the maximum use of the free plan of system.oi. Smack the like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy any of this content. Now let's go. Alright guys, you're welcome to the dashboard of the system.oi tool. So in this dashboard, as you can see, I'm not currently using this I just created this account, so I want to show you guys and walk you through the complete tutorial with this. So at the end of the playlist, everything is supposed to be active and you're going to see this full platform being a bit changed. So with this dashboard, what you're going to notice is in the dashboard you can see contact. This is where all the list and all the people which are going to be signing up to your funnels are going to be stored in. You have as much as 1,000 as you saw in the plans. This is the funnel where you can be able to create your landing page and the bridge page. This is the email where you can be able to send email newsletters to the people which have captured their email, or campaigns which you can actually get them to work through a sequence at the back end. This is where you work with all your blog, and this is the automation where you can be able to create workflows and all of that, where you can get people to segment your list. All those are advanced email marketing stuff. So in this video, we're going to be creating funnels. So what we're going to do is you're going to hit on funnels. So as you can see, funnels is a sequence of one page landing page which is going to get someone on a journey. This is a series of one page. When added together, is going to move a customer through the journey, which is going to get them at the end to either get your offer or either submit their email or contact details, which you can be able to reach up to them more and move up the marketing fees on the back end. So to get this done, what you want to do, you're in the funnel, so we're going to hit on create. As you can see in here, tap on the create. So right now we're going to give the funnel a name. So let me say I'm doing this for my live training replay, so I'm going to make this live training replay. So what we want to do now, we want to build an audience, since we want to use this as a lead magnet to collect email and actually grow our list and get to move the marketing fees to the next stage. So we're going to be working with building an audience. So you're going to click on build an audience, then you're just going to go to the side and scroll down, and you're going to hit on create. So right now they're going to load to us funnels and various templates which you can be able to use. Now we can see this is a 2-step funnels, and in the description and the price range we saw that we have just 10 steps which you can be able to use on the free plan. Now you can see this is how you create the step already with this squeeze page, which is a bridge page or landing page, and thank you page which we're going to be creating in this video. We have already created 2 steps. So when you add more stuff to it, as I said, funnels is a series of one page. When combined together, is going to get people from cold into warm traffic, or get them to know you more, or get them to actually submit their contact details, which you can now be able to follow up on the back end with marketing. This channel is more about affiliate marketing and all things marketing. If you're interested in that, you should go to like, subscribe, and join us on our quest. So what we're going to do right now, we can see in the squeeze page folder, which is the very first part, which you're going to be getting their email. As you can see, there's an email, there's an email symbol in here. So the thank you page is where you're going to shake up and actually congratulate them and give them what they came in for. So we're going to have to create a template. As you can see, these are already pre-designed templates which you can use to create wherever any landing page we want to create those funnels and this step for our audience and our leads. Since this is a video and I'm working with a video and I want to recreate the landing page which you saw at the beginning of this video and this training, I'm going to go pick that. So as you can see, you can be able to look at various templates which you want. Anyone that interests you, you can definitely go for that. So we can even be able to preview this and see how it's going to look like. If you're enjoying it, you can just click on it and work with it. As you can see, these are awesome looking landing pages. You can see all of these are scripts and weird design thought out templates which you can easily be able to edit. So if you like any of the templates which you see in here, all you have to do is to hit on select. If you want to check out the template more and see if it's actually a perfect fit, all you have to do is to hit on preview. It's going to take you to the next page where you can definitely do that, as you can see in here. So let me walk you through creating this now. So I'm going to take you through fastly to the tool of video. So this is for video. When you have a video presentation, so you can easily just edit all of this and use that. This is for ebook. If you want to give out a free ebook, you can easily just work on this and edit them easily. These are pre-made templates, and this is why I said this tool is amazing and is offering us all of this stuff for completely free. This is going to give ClickFunnels a lot of net. So what I want to do is, this is the video, this was the one I actually used, so I can preview this so you can see how it is. Now this is a preview of it, because this is a video template. So let me go back and let me work with this. This was it. So I'm going to hit on select. When you do find a template which you want to work with, what you're going to do, you're going to hit to select. It's going to automatically create that page for you. So right now it takes us back to the starting point where we just started and where we did select the template. But right now we already have our landing page set up, so we can now see that it's showing us a different setup. But what we want to focus on is on these 4. As you can see, there's 4 bars in here. This 4 bars is literally going to determine everything you do with this page right now. So in the first one, we can see we can save the funnel step. In the second one, we can be able to view the funnel which we just create, the template which we just worked with. And in this third, we can be able to edit the page which we just selected the template for. And with this, we can be able to change the template to another if we feel that is not the one we want to work with anymore. So right now we're going to be editing the page, so I'm going to click on edit page. As you can see, it's going to load, and you can see this is the template which I use to create the video which you saw on the pre-hero of this video. As you can see, this is it. So what I did is that I changed the background, and I did add all this text and edited some extra text. So let's work with this and let's see how we can make this work. So the very first thing I did was I changed the sessions. So to know how you can be able to work with this is a simple drag and drop. Click what you want to edit, change it to what you want it to be, remove what you don't like, and turn it into what you like. It's as easy as that. Now let me show you. Now let's assume that I don't like this headline. I want this headline to be changed to something which I like. So what I'm going to do, you can see I just hit on it and automatically it's changed, and it starts giving me options where I can be able to type whatever thing I want to type. It's as easy as that. All you have to do is click, edit what you don't want into what you want. And as you can see on the right hand side, this is a property panel where it's going to show you all the settings and all the features of what you're working with in here. As you can see right now, I'm in the test, and if I should go to this properties panel and hit all the font size and pop this up, you're going to see it's going to increase everything in here. You can see this property panel literally controls this others part. This is the setting of whatever stuff is on the screen. So if you want to change anything, it's on it. You can be able to change it to whatever you want. Now let me edit this to add this to become the watch video part of that of the main landing page I did create. So this is going to be watch video. Now if you're not liking the color of the text and you want to change it into something else, what you're going to do is you're going to go same to the property tab, and you're going to go scroll down. Everything you need is in here. So as you can scroll down, you can see this is colors. This is the color part of this text which I'm working with. What you want to do is you want to go to the text color in here. When you click on this, you can be able to edit this into whatever way you want. As you can see, I can change this into black, I can change this into white, I can change it into whatever color I want. This is the control I have with this. So let me make this red. So watch the video below. So I'm going to add this below. So you can see we can easily be able to change all of these easily by working with the template which we already have. So in here, let me make this very fast. So I'm going to be working with a template. So I'm just going to copy some of the writing. So the first part I did was on demand live training. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this. So it's going to be the first part. So right now I can be able to reduce this because it's looking wide, so I can reduce the font size and I can pop it down, decreasing it here. I can increase it if I want, I can decrease it if I want. It's that easy, guys. So I want to change this color. I'm not digging this, so I'm going to go to and slide down. You can see the color. This is black. I can change this and I can hit on this. This was that color which I used on that. So all I'm going to do is I want to reduce the size of this. So I'm going to hit on this. I'm going to reduce the size. As I said, in the property panel, everything you want to do is already in here. So right now I want to add my main headline, where I did give the main bold headline, which was which was the fastest proven way to make your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to copy this reviews. Okay, the fastest affiliate marketing. So I'm going to copy this. So it's better when you're working to landing page to actually open up a document where you can write up all the scripts you're going to be using. So it's going to be easy for you to just copy and paste this and create your stuff very, very much faster. It's going to save you a massive amount of time. So with the blocks in here, you can see here, these are the blocks. When you're not clicking on any element, the blocks panel is going to appear here, the elements and the blocks. Now the blocks these are preloaded templates which you can use. As you can see, opt-in forms if you want. You can see these are preloaded templates which you can easily attach from the system.oi and actually use them. Where at element, these are stuff you can easily draw into your canvas. As you can see, this is a workspace where you can be able to create whatever magic which you want to create. So here you can draw this. Now this, I'm going to be drawing this headline and I want to drop it below the AI on demand training. You're going to drag and drop wherever you want at the place you want them to appear. It's that easy. So I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste this down. So you can see this is not looking bold. I just align it with Ctrl and A. So I can actually make this to become bold by hitting on this B. You can see it actually become bold. I can increase the size by going to the properties panel and dragging the font size and bobbing it up. I can bob this up into whatever way I want. Now if it's good, it's actually much better. Now this color, I want it to become white. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drag down and you can see text color in here. I'm going to hit on text color and I'm going to change it to white. As you can see, this is it. Now there's still another part which we're going to be covering and I'm going to be showing you. This is far from this, right? So let me on demand live training reviews. Now if you want access to this training, there's going to be a link down where you can actually access this. This is actually a lead magnet which I prepared for my audience. If you're interested in that, you can check it out in the description or in the first comment below. So we got that done. So the next part, which is I'm going to add more copy, we talked about without spending a dime or paid ads. So that is the extra part. So I'm going to click on nothing. As you can see, I clicked on nothing and immediately I got all of my elements back in here where I can easily drag and drop what I want. So right now I'm going to be dragging the text which I want to add in the down of this. So I'm going to add this text. Now what I can be able to do is I can edit this into whatever way I want. So right now I don't think I like this text, so I'm going to delete it. So to delete any element which you don't like, just go to the boss, then move. You can see here, this is the gear where you can be able to edit it. So when you press this gear or this setting icon, it's going to take you to the property panel where you can bob the size, where you can do the change color and do all of that with the with that part of your landing page you want to change. So right now I want to delete this. I'm going to hit on the trash can and you're going to show me if I really want to do that. Sure. And that is done. So I'm going to add in headline below that. So let me go paste this without spending it then. All right, copy. Okay, as you can see here, I can bold this. So I'm going to change the font in here. So to change the font also, if you don't liking the font you're getting, click on it, it's on this gear on the J side, and you're going to get all of your properties shown in here. So as you can see, this is the font size, this is the line height, this is the font tab. So this is automatically will be sent on with the page. So we want to change this and go to Google Font. Now with Google Font, you can be able to search wherever of your best fonts you have been using. Now let's say I want to use Apri Fat Face. You can see it's going to change to that. If I want to change it to other font, I can be able to change it to whatever font I feel is going to work best for me. Now let's say I want to use A's. Now you can see I can be able to do this. So let me just make things a bit more spicy. I'm going to work with this. Now the second thing you want to see is that there's actually a bit of space between each of these elements. Though they are actually created a layer above each other, but there's still a bit of space between them. Why? I think it's actually one of the things with the system where, but you can actually get that fixed. So to get that fixed, you want to click on the element which you want to edit or get closer to the next. You want to go down and move down, and what you can see, these are margins. This is having a massive amount of margin between the top and the bottom. So you can be able to reduce this margin. As you can see, when you reduce this margin, it's going to drag the stuff more up. It's not going to reduce the padding. So you can be able to reduce this margin. It's going to go up back. So go to the next property which you want to get closer. It's on the gear. Then you can scroll down and go to the margin. If you want to change the font, you can see you can change the font type in here. You can scroll down. You can see the top if it's actually having a big margin. Most of the time it's going to be padding. So you're going to go to the second part and see if it's having a massive padding too. So if it's okay, you're going to leave this. Now this is a mile away from the other, so let me check if it's having a massive padding or margin to it. All right, let's move faster with the video. Now let me change this color, not digging this. So I'm going to change this color to white, no, to it. So I want this color to be a bit fainting. So right now with the section in here, you can see that I did change the background. Like this background is different from the background you can see in here. So to change the background, what you have to do is to tap on it. This is the section. You can see section in here. You're going to tap on the main background. It's going to be in the section. So right now, we tap on it, automatically the property panel is going to be open up for you. But if it doesn't, what you can do is you're going to go here, go to the thing, go to the section, and you're going to move, and you're going to see this gear. You're going to tap on this gear icon. As you can see, it's actually open up for you. So if you want to change your image, you can see here, what you're going to do is you're going to hit here, background image. You can see background image, tap on this, where you can be able to drag and drop whatever image you have. And if you already have other stuff working, you can click here, you can get whatever stuff you've been working with and work on them there. So in here, if you want to upload, I'm going to be giving you 2 resources right now where you can actually get royalty free images which you can use to create your landing page and create awesome looking decent landing pages. So go to the first website, pizzabay.com. You can search in whatever stuff which you want to download. These are 100% completely free royalty stock photos. Or you can go to unsplash.com. I'm going to leave the two description, I'm going to be leaving them in the description so you can actually get access to them easily. So in here, all you have to do is to search whatever stuff which you want relating to the content or what you want to create a landing page for. So right now I search freedom. You can see I can be able to download this picture if I want. So I can hit on this and I'm going to save this picture. I can use this as my landing page. Use this in my landing page as the photo. So you can see it's already saved. So we can go back to our squeeze page. I can drag this here. Is going to upload. As you can see, this is going to be the picture. So select the picture and scroll down, then insert. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look right now. Though it's not the best, but you can get the idea of how you can change the background of your image. So right now in this in the last review which we did, I didn't, on the main example I showed you, I did use the background of C and a seagull, but right now I did not have a video, so I actually just did a screenshot of the main video which I'm linking them to so they can get an idea of how the stuff works. As you can see in here, what I did is I went through my Facebook group which I did the live session, so I used the screenshot tool to actually screenshot the video in here. Then I took it and then uploaded it as that. So in this video, I'm not going to be going through all of those steps anymore. So I'm going to delete this because I don't have a video which I want to put. But if you do have a video, you can do that. So I'm going to delete this. So in here, I'm going to add an image because, as I said, I did put an image in there to signify the video. So as I said, all of these are drag and drop. What you want, you drag it, you drop it, and you place it under where you want it to be. And that's it's as easy as that, guys. Just drag, drop, edit what you like, remove what you don't like, and add what you do like. It's as easy as that, friends, literally. So I'm going to add this. This is it. So I'm going to insert this. So right now, as you can see, it's actually here, and I'm even digging this more than the initial concept. Like literally, are you not digging this? So you can see the fastest proven way to make your first monkey online affiliate marketing without spending any time on paid ad, even as a complete beginner. Watch video below. If you're interested in this, there's going to be a link to get you to this video. So the next part is the buttons. What are you going to do with these buttons? What do you do with these buttons? So to edit these buttons, all you have to do is to click on it. And when you do click on it, you can see in here, it's going to take you to the property panel. It's going to automatically pop up. We can be able to edit it. So you're going to go and look for the button test. As you can see in here, just scroll down and you're going to see the button test. So we can edit this to wherever we want. So in here, I added get started now. I added okay, watch video training now. So I can be able to make that also. Watch video training now. Okay, watch video training now. All right. So when you're done with that, you can leave that. If you want to add the subtext, this is going to be where you add that. So I might write get instant access. So when you want to reduce the font size, you can do that in here. You can use it, you can increase it, you can see. Then you can also be able to decrease the size of your subtext by using here the other side. You can decrease this, you can increase this, you can do whatever you want. You can even be able to change the font if you're not digging the font. You can select whatever font you want. You can scroll down, then select whatever font which you want. Now this is on int. If you want to change it to Abriface, Ace, Bogatti, you can do any of that. So guys, if you want to change the button colors, it's on it still. You're going to get to this property place, then you're going to scroll down till when you see colors, you're going to click in here and you can change it to whatever color that fits you. So you can see you can change it to red, you can change it to orange, you can change it to whatever, any training button that fits you. So let me leave it this way and let's go down. So in here you can see the other part. You can be able to edit this into whatever way you want. So right now let me just change this and put you what you discover in this training. Alright, as I said, you can be able to reduce the size if it's looking too big or you don't like it by going to the property panel and decreasing it. As you can see, this easy. If you want to make this bold, click on it, tap Ctrl and A to align everything, then hit on the B is going to bold it automatically for you. So right now in here, in this quiz page, I actually did work with stylish pop-up, which actually shows you the details of what it is in a little bit of a stylish manner. So if you want to work with this, what you have to do is you're going to go back to your editor. So right now I'm not going to work on any of this, so I'm going to delete all of these rows at a time. So I'm deleting this here, delete, and it's gone. So what we want to do right now is you can go to this block if you want. Now you can see opt-in forms, you can see pictures, you can see page footers, you can see team presentation, you can see price headlines. These are all stuff which you can easily be able to add into your stuff. So in pictures you can see various stuff which you can add, various templates which you can easily be able to add there to explain more of your stuff. So this is the one I added. You can see card items with multi-boss border. So all you have to do is to click on it and it's going to automatically load, as you can see here. So what you're going to do is you just have to edit this into the text which you want. Now I'm going to move this back down. So let me take this up above. So it's actually a drag and drop. As you see, just drag what you want to where you want them to be, remove what you don't like and add what you want. So you can see this is it. All you have to do is to edit all of this into the stuff in here. So here I did on demand training 1 to 6, so I can be able to copy this. Let me show you so you get how the stuff works. So you can see, click on it, it's going to automatically give you the chance. This is what you want here. So course of tutorial sake, I'm just going to be pasting same stuff here over and over again so you understand how the stuff works. So guys, this is it. I did just 6 and these were them. So in here you can add whatever text you want, but for me I'm going to delete all of this read more because it's not valid to the landing page. So we're going to delete this, I'm going to delete this. So in a sec I'm going to be showing you how you can create the pop-up, which is going to be next after this, and you can create awesome pop-ups with the system.oi tool for free. Also, from time to time, make sure to save your editing so you don't actually lose what you've been working on. So you can see this is how it's going to look. This SCP is going to be the content which you can be able to edit there in whatever way you want. So right now the next thing is going to be how do you get people to sign up and how do you create the landing page. So when you click on this, you're going to see that there's a pop-up already being initiated with this button. So let me show you from start. Let me create a full button so you can see that you can be able to create this button easily without even going through the script or the template. So as you scroll down through this element, you can see this is buttons. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag, as I said, drag and drop to where you want them. Now let's say I want this button here. So when you see this is a normal button, when you click on this, you can now give an action for this button. You can see action when button clicked. So in here, this is set to pop up when you click on it, and you can see that this one is set to show pop up. But right now, this one is not set to show pop up. So when you click on it, it's just the next step URL. So you're going to click on this. So what you want to do is either send form. If you want to create show pop up, you can click on show pop up. If you want to open a URL, like send them to a URL, when those people click it, you can do that. But since we want to save those landing pages, we want to save their email list, their name, so we can actually follow up on them for the next step on the marketing, which might be email marketing for you. We're going to go to show pop up. So you can set it on show pop up. This is just for tutorial sake. I'm going to delete this button. So click on it. You can scroll down to when you see click here test button. So you can see click here, then you can edit this into whatever way you want. We can also make this watch video training. As you can see, easy. The sub test, you can add this access now. Whatever way you want to do that. So as you can see, we can be able to recreate this button very easy. So you shouldn't worry or stress about that. You can click here, you can change the color to whatever way you want. You can see, easy peasy. So guys, that's how the button was created. So let me delete this button and let me show you how you can work with the pop-up and the sign up form. So when you check out the settings in here, you can see settings. When you check out this pop-up, you can see pop-up directly. Click on this pop-up and you're going to see this one is visible already. So when you check on this, you can be able to see what type of pop-up automatically this has. So this is a pop-up which came with it, but I don't like this. So you're going to click on edit pop-up settings. You can be able to change this pop-up and actually delete this pop-up because I'm not liking this. So I'm going to go back to pop-ups, then I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to add a new pop-up. So we can see this one is even much better than the other. So in here, what you can do with this pop-up, we should just add here, you can change this text to edit this into whatever way you want. So right now, let me write your in. Okay, you are almost done here. So we can bold this, Control A, highlight, B, bold. If you want to change the color, you can do that, but I have no problem with the color. So in here, what you're also going to do is still works with the drag and drop, very simple. So you're going to go to the test which you want to add, and then down this might be submit all of your details below. You're going to add this test, then you're going to Control A to delete, select and delete massively. So you can be like drop down, fill out your details below. Okay, so you can add something like fill out your details below to get instant access. As you can see, it's going to show up that way. So the next thing, this is the email. This is where you put your email form. So when you click in here and click on the get, you can be able to edit this into whatever way you want. The placeholder, if you want to add in a direct email, you can do this like your best email. As you can see here, if you want to add in more forms, like you want to add your name, also what you're going to do is you're going to go to this element, you're going to scroll down and you're going to scroll down till you get to forms and input. You can see forms input. You're going to drag this, then you're going to put it at the top. Now this doesn't have a preset, so this doesn't have a type yet. Go hit on the gear, then you're going to select a type which you want to use this for. Now this, I want first name, so I'm going to hit first name here. As you can see, your first name, your best email, and click here. So when I did the button, click here, go to the gear icon, hit here, then you're going to go down and you're going to see button test, then you're going to write get instant access to live training, or whatever stuff we want to give them as a call to action. let's leave it at get instant access now. So all right, let me go edit this. So get instant access now. So get instant access now, let me reduce the size. All right, so with the font subtext you can say yes please, something like that. So let me write yes please. All right, so you can see we are done, guys. Like literally, we've created the pop-up, we've created the sign up, and with with system.oi, this actually links to the email system directly. As you create an account, you automatically have an email account with them where this stuff is going to be saving to the contact, as I did show you in the very first dashboard intro. So that's where the stuff is going to be going to. So as you can see, we are done here. So save your changes, and I'm going to edit this. So we are done here. So you can see this is the button where the pop-up is going to show and display in. And if you want to add checklist, maybe you're not digging this type of stuff, like you're not digging all of this, you want to add in your own checklist, what you're going to do is you're going to go in here, as you can see, bullet list. So you're going to go to bullet list, you're going to drag this, then you're going to drop this here. So you can see this is a bullet list. When you hit on the gear, you can be able to change this into wherever way you want. So hit on this gear sign. So in here you can change the font size of it as you want. You can change the icon size if you want it to be big. You can even change the icon if you want it to be something much fancier. So you can hit this, you can see this, you can change it into this if you want, or you can change it into this form of icon bosses if you also want that, or you can change it to ideas. Now you can be like what we're going to be covering today. So let me go back to my checkpoint. So let me say $100 mindset. All right, so this might be the second point. Okay, this might be the second point. You're going to copy this and paste it. Copy from the other source and paste it there, or write wherever you want to edit it to. Easy peasy. So your first note as on, and you can be able to write this as much as you want, as much as you want. And if you want to increase all of this, all you're going to do is you're going to go to the content, click on the gear, then you can bump up the font size like this. If you want that, if you want to bold it, you can do that. If you want to increase the icon size, you can do that also. So you can play with all of this, easy peasy. This is how you get all of this stuff edited to look to your full taste and the way you actually want and love that to happen. As you can see, this automatically creates the sections, the rows, the columns. All you have to do is to just drag, drop, and you're good to go. So guys, let me show you, this is what we've been doing. So let me take you through the next page where I'm going to show you how you can create the thank you page. And in the next part of this playlist, we're going to be talking about the email marketing and setting up all of that up. So I'm going to hit here to leave this. So I'm done with this. So the first step, which is the squeeze page, is already done. We can be able to view this by hitting on this view funnel. So let me view this on another tab so you see it. So guys, this is what we're working on. On demand live training. So this is what I actually did create this monster. So you can see this is the email, this is the form which we did create here. So right now I can go back to the settings. I think I did set this where the pop-up is always active, so we can go back and change that if you want. But you can see this is it. You can easily be able to create your landing page and also create this pop-up this much easy. So let me go back, let me create the thank you page. So with the thank you page, when you click on the thank you /download, this is where the people, after going and doing the stuff you want them to do, are going to be taken next. This is where you tell them thank you. This is where you can be able to sell more products and actually get them directly to your mail offer if you're actually giving them as an incentive to build a bridge page. All of these are done with the funnels and setting up funnels and stuff. So in here, you're also going to pick a template so you can work the same way you did on the first quiz page. Is what you're going to be doing with the thank you page. Now the thing I noticed about the thank you page of system.oi, they have limited template. As you can see, this is just 4 templates in here. And what you can do, you can preview this or you can use this. Now this is what I actually used in the main video, and in the main first work I did, which I did show you in the video of this video. So what we're going to do right now is, as I said, this is a 4 points you should need, which is important. This is going to help you to save the funnel step, this is going to help you to view the funnel, and this is going to help you to edit the funnel, where this one is going to help you change the template to the new one which you want. So once you edit this, we're going to hit on edit page. So you're going to see it's going to open up the editor of this. So guys, as you can see, this is the time queue, and we can be able to edit this into whatever way we want. So let's say congratulations, you're in, and let me like something with that. Congratulations. All right, so let me drag and drop from the element. So I'm going to drag and drop this below this. So easy drag and drop. Edit. So you can see you are in. You can bob it up wherever way you want, bold it, increase the size if you want to do that. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can do whatever you want with the property tabs. Easy peasy. So let me do this here in. So we can edit this into whatever way you want. You can see easy. All you have to do is to click on the text, edit it whatever way you want. So your idea has been sent by email. Before you go, you can give them whatever stuff you want after giving them the offer, or you can automatically just give them the thing you want to give them right now. So in here you can see there's a button here which is going to help you, but if you didn't see any button, same principle, easy peasy. Going to scroll down, go to the buttons, drag and drop it where you want it to be, then release it, edit it into whatever way you want, add in your URL. Now let's say with this video right now, let's say you want to take people to your offer which you want to promote. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit on this. So you're going to see the property tab. So this is the URL. So right now the actions, when clicked, if you're creating the button from scratch, you're going to go to the settings and you're going to go open URL. But when you're creating the funnel with like a series of funnel where you want to get people to the next step, to the next step, to the next step, like a marketing funnel, you're going to get them to the next URL where you're going to create the next step on the funnel board. So we're going to open URL, then we're going to change this into whatever we wish we want. Now example, let me just use this like I want to send people to ClickBank, but I don't have an affiliate link right now. So let me just open ClickBank. Let me just press clickbank.com, right, as the link I want to get them to. So I'll scroll down, then I'm going to change the text button. Okay, so let me write this as access your proven marketplace. So this is going to be ClickBank. So you can also be able to change this button if you want to do that by going down. You can see background color. You can change this into whatever way you want. As you can see, easy peasy. What you don't want, you can edit this and press the sweet delete button. You can press the delete button and edit whatever stuff you don't want. So edit, delete, oh shit. So after doing all of this, they are going to be gone, and you can do whatever you want with the stuff you have. So I'm just clearing up all of this. We are actually literally done. All you have to do in here is just edit to whatever you want, and you get what you have. So we can see we're done. In a couple of minutes, we've been able to create the landing page and walk through the system or had in-depth review of how this stuff works. So let me quickly go back to the squeeze page and let me edit the pop-up features so it's not overly active when you get people into the page. So we're going to go back to the edit page, click on edit page, then we're going to go to the editor and we're going to make this work. Editor. Then we're going to click on the pop-up because this is our main concern. Hit on pop-ups. Then we can see the pop-up which we did create. You're going to view this pop-up, then edit pop-up settings. Then we want to see open pop-up automatically. We don't want this. We want it to be open when someone clicked on it, and we want to on the close button. So you can see when I on the close button, someone can be able to cancel this. When you went through that page of just now, someone couldn't be able to cancel this. So open the pop-up button automatically. You don't want this set, you want to off this, so it's actually offed. So guys, with that thing done, I think we're done. So with the border color, if you want this to be red, you can change it. As I said, you can do whatever you want with just easy drag and drop. So you can see I changed the border, and let's save changes and let's proceed further. So guys, we are done with automated. We created the squeeze page, we created the thank you page. Now let's work and look at our work. So let's view our funnel. As you can see here, we can view what we've been working with. So guys, this is what we're creating, and you can see the proven way. This is the review, this is the video training, and this is the discover. So when you click on this pop-up button, so as you can see, yeah, our funnel, our pop-up is connected. So when you add your name here, let me add my name, Terry, and Jimmy. Get instant access. Yeah, as you can see, you just got this stuff done. You can see congratulations, you're in, the ID, and what we set. Now I clicked on the ClickBank link. As you can see, it's taking me to ClickBank because that was the URL I set. Now this for you might be your affiliate link, which you're going to add in here. This for you might be taking them to your product, to your offer, or what got you. So guys, this is how you can be able to create awesome reviews. This is how you can be able to create landing pages and work with page pages with the system.oi tool, which is like the best alternative, free alternative to ClickFunnels, save you your bucks and gives you every other part of the marketing stuff which you need. So if you're interested in this tool, there's going to be a link in the description where it's going to take you to the system.oi where you can actually register and start using this tool for completely free. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, share your comments and your thoughts so that the YouTube algorithm can share this to other people which is going to be needed. This tool is going to help them literally. So stay tuned for the second part of this playlist. We're going to walk you through the email folder, how you can get your email set up with the system.oi system, and also stay tuned to the third part of the series. We're going to be talking about how you can be able to connect these with other external autoresponder and actually set up a professional email address for your autoresponder. So guys, thanks for staying through, and I'll see you in another video. You have a smashing lovely day. See you another day.